In this video, I'm going to show you how to change a PayPal business account to a personal account. So changing a PayPal business account to a personal account isn't something that you can directly do through the app or website settings. So you need to go ahead and actually do a different method, and that is to go ahead and contact PayPal support. So make sure you are logged into your PayPal account. And also, you need to make sure that you have no pending transactions, holds, or limitations. You want to make sure that your account is clean and that it is ready for action. But anyways, guys, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and go down here and you want to press over here where it does say contact, just like so. And then it is going to bring you to the official PayPal customer support website. So over here, it will kind of give you like a general FAQ, but this is probably not what you're looking for. So what you want to do is you want to scroll all the way down until you see these options over here where it says message us or call us. So basically you want to go ahead and either message or call the PayPal support team and basically explain to them your situation, explain to them that you're trying to change your PayPal business account to a personal account. And also whenever you do this, make sure to be as respectful as possible and make sure you are concise whenever you are telling your situation. And they also might ask you for some details about your account, whether it be like your email or anything like that. So basically you just want to go ahead and follow their instructions, guys. And a lot of people have actually done this process already. So what they might do is they might either convert your existing account directly, which is very rare, but it is possible if there's no funds tied up, or they might ask you to withdraw all of your funds and close the business account, then open a new personal account with a different email. But alternatively, you can always go ahead and just open up a brand new personal account as well. But if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.